What is poppin', everyone? Welcome back to another video, another day. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today we have something special for you guys. If you guys are a fan of anything pumpkin, today is going to be everything pumpkin. We're going to be trying different places, well, different fast food restaurants that actually sell the pumpkin spice. Now, hear me out. I've never had like pumpkin coffee, pumpkin lattes, pumpkin donuts, pumpkin anything. I've never really, I like pumpkin pie, but yeah, I don't know. I'm curious about what the pumpkin latte tastes like. And I thought it's a Dunkin Donuts right next to me, so why not start at Dunkin Donuts? Why not start at Dunkin Donuts? And I'm bringing you guys with me today. So everything pumpkin, let's go. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button before I can move forward. I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. I'm not trying anything pumpkin until you subscribe. You done? All right, let's go.
The pain inside, don't wanna feel it. Yeah. So I pour up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it. I know it won't solve my problem, but I know it makes it.
All right, guys. I'm going in for the taste. Pumpkin latte. It looks light. It looks creamy. Now, I am lactose. I don't know if you guys know that about me because I've been eating so much cheese, Mexican food, and oh, man. But this is probably going to tear my stomach up. I'm seeing this cream on top. There's like a creaminess. I don't want to say, I don't know what is that on top. I don't want to say whipped cream. It's almost like a pumpkin whipped cream. Don't you say that. Smell test. Pumpkin. I'm getting a pumpkin spice. Ooh. I don't know. I don't know if I'm a fan. I don't know if I'm going to come back here and be like, okay, I need this again. But I will say throughout the holidays, I might come back. Now, I'm curious. I hate to compare. I'm curious how this will taste up to a Starbucks. Huh. It's sweet, but I don't know. Something about pumpkin, it just calms down any sweetness. All right, I'll go ahead and give this frap I'll give it a 7 out of 10. It's not bad. And what do you guys think? It's a cold iced brew coffee. What do you guys think? 7 out of 10. Let's go ahead and try those munchkins. Look at that. Look at that perfect roundness, that perfect ball. OMG. Okay, hold up. Ooh, that sweetness on the outside, got that crunchy exterior mixed with the glaze, the softness in the inside. Okay. Dunkin Donuts, y'all doing y'all thing. Y'all doing y'all thing, Dunkin. That's good. Okay. The pumpkin is coming through. You're getting the pumpkin flavor, but again, it's that glaze. I'm good. That's good, man. Y'all need to know about this. It's good. Oh my God, a school bus. Look at the school bus. You gotta hit me. I got it on tape. Hit me. What would I give it? I'll probably give it a 9. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, it's good. All right, guys. So right now we're actually heading to McDonald's.
Hi, good afternoon. Will you be using the mobile app today?
No. Listen, what pumpkin items do you have?
I'm sorry?
Do you have any pumpkin items? Thank you. I appreciate it. Have a good one. Okay, we have McDonald's now. Can I do this with one hand? It's the pumpkin latte from McDonald's. Uh-oh. I think they put a lot of dairy in it. It just seemed like they put a lot of creamer in it. She kind of made it how she probably likes it, but it's good. Oh, man, I don't know. Right off the bat, I do know. Dunkin', sorry, Dunk. I'm sorry, Dunk. This is it. This is it. It's like a dessert. Think about it. Oh man, I'm not gonna lie, brothers and sisters, this is good. The pumpkin frappe from McDonald's. All right, guys. So I hope you guys aren't pumpkined out yet. We're still on the search for more pumpkin things. So I don't know where to go right now. So we're gonna check on my handy dandy phone. Okay, I think we should go ahead and go to Panera Bread.
So I pour up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it.
All right, guys. So they did not have the pumpkin cookies, and they didn't have any pumpkin drinks or anything like that. I think it's because they still have to wait until October. But for now, we do have a pumpkin muffin. A pumpkin muffin. I'm curious of the flavor. Look at that. Oh. Succulent. Ooh, it's moist. You're getting the pumpkin spice notes so well. It's almost like I can't put it down. Okay, so that actually was not bad. The Panera Bread muffin, it's more than not bad. It was so delicious. Oh man, so moist in the inside. You had that crispy exterior. Sheesh. I now want to try something special. I've never had it. Well, I'll just show you. One sec. Okay, so I've never had the pumpkin water ice. Okay, I got it, guys. I got it. If I can get in the car without getting ran over. Say hi. Let's go ahead and try for the first time pumpkin water ice. Now it's pretty thick. Oh man, it's thick. You can see the spice. You can see the pumpkin spice. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh my God. The pumpkin smell is coming through so strong. Oh man, that's something different. I don't know, it's like if you take sweet potato pie and just, they should put crust in here, like crunched up pieces of crust in here. This is a 9 out of 10. He said it was the last little bit left, so I was happy. Oh! Okay, so I think we should go ahead and go to Starbucks next.
So I pour up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it. I know it won't solve my problem, but I know it makes a difference.
All right, so you see what we have. I had to get a small because I don't know why I kept getting the big ones when I was just gonna try it. I don't know why. Let's see how it matches up to McDonald's and, what was the other one? Dunkin Donuts. Now let's see how it matches up with McDonald's and Dunkin Donuts. If it doesn't have the pumpkin spice aroma coming straight off of it, then I mean, it ain't no pumpkin, you know? What did she just give me? 10 out of 10. I need you guys to take this recipe. It was a iced chai tea latte. Add pumpkin cream. Oh my! Best thing I've ever had. No, like seriously, I don't even think I can get. Usually I get like a vanilla frap or, you know, acai berry. But did it beat? Hell to the yeah. It's not overly sweet, and then I want to see how it pairs well with the banana bread. I forgot about you. Oh, it's warm to the touch. Oh, it wants to fall right apart. Look at that. Look at that. It wants to fall right apart. Whoa. It literally melts in your mouth. You have to get it warmed up. You can't get it cold. Look at that. And if I'm not mistaken, it has to be pistachios. That's what I'm tasting. You can taste the pistachios. Pistachios and pumpkin goes well together. That's weird, huh? Ooh, that light shining. That light shining on us. Boom. There you go. Look at that scone. You know why it look like mustard on top? Okay. It's almost like a buttercream icing glazed over the top. Perfect sweetness. Pumpkin is coming through so slightly. Not too much, not overpowering. Just a little dry. That chai tea latte with the add pumpkin cream. Oh my God, you have to try it. No joke, you have to try it. I just want to thank you guys for going ahead and hanging out with me today. We tried a whole bunch of pumpkin things. I'm happy you guys enjoyed the video. If you can, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not already. And don't forget to hit that bell notification for the notifications to pop up on your phone. Okay? And let me know in the comments below what else we should do, what else we should try. This is going to be almost a part 1, but imagine if we did something else, like everything blueberry. You know what I mean? So go ahead, stick with us, rock with us. We love you. Don't forget to travel, eat, and enjoy life. Peace.
So I pour up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it. I know it won't solve my problem, but I know it makes a difference. One more sip and I'ma fix it. Out my body when I'm tempted. I told her one more, she hear me say